This is a picture of elephant bliss right here. Look at these guys just frolicking in the mud, cooling off after they've had their milk. Too much fun. And then right over here, we have the youngest guy putting on a fun little show for us. How are you doing? How are you doing? Hi.
You know what's going on, don't you?
Yeah. You are cute. Oh, this one's only 8 months old. He's going to try to get up, maybe. Yeah. Oh, now he's going to play around with this. Clark's found a new friend. So is Carol.
I don't think I can take you home, though.
Yeah.
There you go, Carol.
Carol's got a buddy.
Get a picture.
Look at his little ears just roll right back.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Your mound here. Oh, no. Gotta get another dust mask.
Okay, nap time.